It can be hard to know when to call for HVAC maintenance service in Marlow, Oklahoma. Generally, you should have your AC unit serviced at least annually, but more frequent servicing may be necessary for some. If your HVAC unit hasn't been serviced in many years or ever, you'll want to call for service immediately. Your HVAC system might have many common problems, which can increase energy costs and lower your home's air quality. Some older HVAC units need to be serviced even more frequently. Since HVAC units tend to lose efficiency over time, older units will need to be serviced at least twice a year to ensure they are running smoothly. But sometimes, even your best effort may not be enough. You might have your HVAC unit serviced annually or biannually, but still run into sudden problems. Don't wait until your small problem turns into a bigger, more costly one. Have your HVAC unit serviced at the first sight of any issues. And if you need a reliable team for your HVAC maintenance service in Stevens County, you've come to the right place. Contact Robinson Air today to schedule dependable maintenance service.